lecture I'm going to arrange numbers in ascending order. So let's see the answer. So writing the given number 3 root 2 root 3 6 root 5. After that here we can write 2 power 1 by 3, 3 power 1 by 2, and here 5 power 1 by 6. Now taking the LCM of the power. So here taking LCM of 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 6 equal to 1 by 6 is the LCM. Now 2 power 1 by 3. So if we need to make that 1 by 6. So for this here numerator to denominator to multiply, we need to multiply. The same here 3 1 by 2 numerator 3 and denominator 3. So denominator 1 by 6 that come. 5 power 1 by 6 here 1 by 1. So then that become 1 by 6. After that this here that come 2 power 6. This here 3 power 6. This here 5 1 by 6. Now the next is here 2 power 2 1 by 6 and 3 power 3 1 by 6 5 1 by 6. Now here 2 power 2 4 1 by 6, 3 power 3 27 1 by 6 5 1 by 6. So now here if the power is the same then we need to check the number. So highest number is 27, next is 5 4. So that here for ascending, so here 27 1 by 6 is the highest, next is 5 1 by 6 is the highest, lowest is 1 by 6. Now we can write, so middle is the highest 3. Okay, so here root 3. Now writing here numbers in ascending order. So ascending order, so middle term is the highest, so middle is the root 3. So the lowest we need to write first. So lowest here or first terms. So first is 3 root 2, next is or this is here 6 root 5 and here after root 3. Okay, so root 3 is the value that calculated. Root 3 same as 27 1 by 6. Okay, so this is ascending order, means lowest to highest. For descending order you can write descending order highest to lowest. So this come first root 3, next is 6 root 5, after that 3 root 2. So this is the way we can do the arranging the numbers. So write the number, keep here after put the power, what 2 power 1 by 3, 3 power 1 by 2, 5 power 1 by 6. Take the power LCM, then you can get 1 by 6 and here 2 1 by 3, here 1 by 6, so that make denominator with 1 by 6. So here we need to multiply 2 by 2, here 3 by 3, 1 by 1. After that here you can see 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 1 by 6. So we need to make here 1 by 6 because LCM will come 1 by 6. So 2 square 3 cube 5. So this here we got that one. So here middle part is the highest, second highest last part, and smallest is first part. Okay, so this is in the ascending order, this is in the descending order. So this is the way we can arrange the numbers. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See next week. Thank you.